Hi, I'm Joe from Ledlenser, and today I'd like to show you something very special. After extensive research and development, we can now present our first app. Together with your Bluetooth-enabled Ledlenser, the Ledlenser Connect app allows you to customize your light to fit your needs, from direct control to personalized switch profiles. Here's how. The app opens on the Connect page. Turn on your light and click Connect. The green LED will blink twice with a successful Bluetooth connection. In the menu, you'll find the four main functions: direct control, timer, intervals, and switch profiles, along with settings and SOS mode. The percentage battery status is seen in each of the main functions. The first function is direct control. Constant light allows you to set the brightness of your light via the app. In energy saving, you can choose between 3 brightness levels. Pressing the RGB button lets you switch between red, green, and blue light. Blink and OptiSense can also be enabled here. No settings are saved in direct control. Next, the timer. Via the On Timer feature, you can schedule a time within the next 24 hours when the white light will automatically turn on for 20 minutes, with 150 lumen output. The speed at which the light turns on can be adjusted using the fader. For example, select 3 minutes, and from your scheduled time, the light will progressively become brighter until it's reached 150 lumens. The timer will work only once and has to be manually set again to repeat the function. When the light is on, you can set an off timer at any point between 1 and 60 minutes, after which time your light will turn off. This, for example, could be very useful reading in your tent for a short period at night. Again, the fader defines how slowly the light turns off. The off timer can be selected for every light function except for SOS. Like the on timer, it has to be manually set again to repeat the function. Let's take a look at intervals. With an interval, you can select a time between 1 and 60 minutes when your light will repeatedly blink. You can save up to 6 intervals. If, for example, you set a 10-minute interval, your light will blink every 10 minutes. The Smart Blink function allows the user to sequentially add a blink after each interval. With the 10-minute interval, your light will blink once after the first 10 minutes, twice after the second 10 minutes, and 3 times after the third 10 minutes. This, for example, could be helpful for interval training, so you don't lose track of time, don't need to look at your watch or stand in the dark. Between the intervals, the light shines continuously. To use an interval with your light, you have to set it within a switch profile. Lastly, switch profiles, the highlight of the app. Every light function and interval except for SOS can be customized in a switch profile. You can save up to 8 profiles for different use scenarios or users. Suppose you want a red light, your 10-minute interval, and low power as a profile. You simply set red light on position 1, your interval on position 2, and low power on position 3. For another more basic use scenario, it might be better to simply set one position. There's also a double-click function that's activated when clicking the lamp switch twice within half a second. Here you can choose from strobe light and boost, or not assigned to disable this function. In the overview, you'll see all profiles. Hold your preferred profile for 2 seconds and choose Send to Lamp. The green light on your lamp blinks twice to confirm the successful transmission. Now you can put aside your smartphone. Your light has the functions you defined in the profile. If you want to change the profile, simply go to the Profile Overview and select another one, or define a completely new profile. So there you have it. You now know all functions of the Ledlenser Connect app. It can be downloaded for free from the App Store or the Google Play Store. For further information and details of compatible products, please visit our website.